In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people on demand Trainerize 2025 step by step. We'll do this in the web version of Trainerize. Open your browser and go to app.trainerize.com. Then sign in with your coach or studio credentials. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click Clients. You'll see your full client list here, which makes it easy to confirm whether someone is already in your system before you add them. To add a new person, go to the top right, click Add New, and choose Add Client. A setup window will appear with a few account types. For 2025, Trainerize uses the term on-demand access only. That's the option we'll use. You may also notice full client, basic client, or add without inviting, but on-demand access only is specifically designed to let someone access your programs, products, and content without sending an immediate email invite or requiring the app right away. You can always upgrade them later when they're ready for coaching. Next, enter the person's details. Add their first and last name and an email address you know is correct. If you have it, you can include a phone number. Notes are optional and helpful for context, like which challenge they're joining or how they found you. You don't need to invite them yet. This step simply creates their profile. You'll see a toggle asking whether to send an invite. For an on-demand setup, turn off Send Invite. This keeps the profile in your account as an unactivated on-demand user, which is perfect if you're preparing a launch, building a waitlist, or organizing access before you go live. Click Create Client to finish. The person is now added with on-demand access. From here, open their profile and go to the Programs, Products, or On-Demand tab. Assign the program, course, or content you want them to receive. Keep in mind, they won't see anything until you either send the invite or publish the product that includes them. This lets you control exactly when access becomes available, so you can stage content or coordinate with your marketing schedule. If that person later becomes a full service client, upgrading is quick. Open their profile, click the three dots in the top right corner, and select Upgrade to Full Client or Convert to Regular Client. This enables the full coaching experience when they're ready, without having to recreate their profile or history. That's the workflow to add people on demand in Trainerize, assign content confidently, and upgrade seamlessly when the time is right.